Welcome to the Handy Dandy Andy channel. My name is Andrew, I'm your host, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sawhorse. This is a wood sawhorse, super sturdy, and we're gonna make it in like 5 minutes. So we're just gonna need a chop saw, a framing nail gun, tape measure, pencil, and I'm gonna use a square. You don't even have to have that, but I'll tell you the dimensions and then we'll get going. So I'm doing 3 pieces that are 40 inches long and then 4 pieces that are 38 inches tall. On the 38-inch ones, we're also going to cut a 15-degree angle. So let's start right there. All right, let's make our first mark at 40 inches. We're going to need 3 of these at 40. And there's 2. This is probably going to be shy. Oh, so it's shy. We'll set that aside. Let's just use a scrap piece here. That end is square. Third one, that's 40 inches. Length of this one is, hey, we got one that'll work for our 38. So now we need 4 that are 38. All right, so now we're changing 15 degrees. And then this is for our 4 feet. We're gonna stand it up on edge and then just cut. I'll show you here. I'm not really cutting any more lumber down, but just getting right to the end there. So we'll do this to all 4. This is 15 degrees for all 4 of them. All right, so now we got all 4 of those. We only need a couple more pieces. I'm gonna come back to 0 and let's just do 15 inches. Just keep it simple. We'll do 2 pieces that are 15. All right, now we're going back to our 15-degree angle again. But this time, we're laying it flat, and we're just going to the edge again. So yeah, we're just going to that corner. That's what we're looking for. And then we can just flip the board and do the same thing here. All right. Now we're done with the chop saw. So let's build the I-beam, if you will, first. Figure out which board you want to be on the very top. It's probably going to be your straightest one. Nope. Not loving any of them, so we'll just do that. All right. Line it up. You can measure it and go 3/4 of an inch in. Like right here if you wanted, and like, oh hey, that's the center. Then you can measure and mark the center, or you can realize that you're just making sawhorses and just nail it. Then I'm going to nail the other side as well, and then I'm going to put a couple more in here. All right, now let's flip it over. So that'll be our bottom. This one will be our top. And on the top, we're only going to put 2 nails because if we use the circular saw, we might go through this and we don't want to hit a nail. So we're just going to put 2 nails in this one. All right. So now we have the angle on this. That is the only part you can really mess up here. You want to make sure that, imagine this being the ground, that's where it's going to sit. So this would be the wrong way. So I don't know how to better describe that, but at a 15-degree angle, this should be like straight up and down to the ground. So it'll sit like that. Okay. All right. So then you just set this. You're literally just setting it here and then shoving it all the way up to the top. And then you just grab your nail gun, just fire into it. Put a couple up there, a couple here, and now you'll grab your next one. Doing the same thing, just a little farther. It's right to the edge. Oh, we're getting close already. Flip her over. Make sure your angles are good. Oh, reload. One more over here. All right, and then you'll see on this sawhorse, I put the support bar in the middle, and this one broke off and split, so I put another nail in. But this is on the inside. Since I want to stack this on top, I'm gonna put the next one on the outside. So that's where these last two boards come in. We're gonna put them on the outside. I'm just gonna use this as like my angle to say how far it is. And then I'll just slide it, basically, until it matches. See that? Just like that. You can measure it if you want, but just remember, just building a sawhorse, so. All right. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing works. But there she is. I mean, this thing, you could tap dance on this thing. I like it because it's taller, super easy to make. Look how sturdy it is. Only took a few scrap boards, some nails, 5 minutes or whatever. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, your favorite part, whatever, just put in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate all of your support. Thanks.